A warm good morning to all. Welcome to today's English class. My kids, previous class we started the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost, and we discussed up to two stanzas. We know there was a beautiful poem, and I know you are eagerly waiting to know about the last two stanzas. Okay, my kids. Before moving to that, just let's quickly recap what we did in the first class. Okay, in the previous class we discussed the poem The Road Not Taken, and we know it's written by the famous writer Robert Frost. And Robert Frost was an American writer, and still he remains in our heart with lots of love, because that much his writing was that much beautiful. Then The Road Not Taken, the speaker stands in the woods and he sees two roads in front of him. And then the next thing is, as a traveler, he can choose only one for his traveling. And then he kept standing there and he watched carefully, and he found out one of the road disappeared, or after some time, or it was hidden by the trees and grasses there. My kids, as I told you, that first answer we can take compared to our life. Our life, we will face situations with options, and in that we can choose only one. Then the poet says that gives the message that the choices that we make in our life has an impact on our future. Then if we are making a wrong choice, we regret it, but we can't go back on it. So we must wise while making choices. Okay. And then the second stanza is this. Finally the poet decided to travel one of that road, and he started traveling, and the poet described that road was fair. That means the first time the poet understood the road was very beautiful, because it has fresh grasses and it was not used much by the people. But after traveling through that, going through that road, the poet understood that the road he chose by also traveled by the people, and both the roads were equally traveled by the people. Both the roads are same. That means then that if we compare with our life, then we can understood in our life, if we are making a choice, if you are going through that, first it will go smoothly, and everything will go smoothly. But after that, in between our traveling or our moving, we will face struggles and troubles. That's a part of our life. So as a traveler, the poet says that move forward and win over through that, and get into the final state, or get to your achievement, or get to your goal. The poet says that as a traveler, go through that and win all the struggles and failures, and win your life also. Then if your choice is wrong, our future will ends in sadness. And if our choice is right, and if you are ready to face all the struggles and failures in our life, definitely our future will ends in happiness. This was the two stanzas we discussed in our previous class. Okay, today we can go through the third stanza. Okay, take your test book in your hand and take your pencil with you, and underline the important words that you find out in this third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the fuss for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. Okay? And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. That means at the morning both the roads are looking similar. That means the leaves fallen on the road had not turned to black by the steps of traveler. Oh, I kept the fuss for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. Then the poet is saying, if I chose the one road and if I kept the one road for another day, I know if I travel through the one road, I could not come back and choose choose the another road that I left there. Okay, this was the poem. That means in our life, the poet sings in our life, or the poet sings. Okay, the third stanza, if we compare to our life, we can understood that the options will look same. That means both will look good and beautiful. And if we think that first we can go through that, then after that we can go through the next one, that we can't come back and choose the next one. That is sure. So the poet is saying, if you are making a choice, think logically and make a choice, and or think logically and take the decisions. അത് പോയിന്റ് പറയുന്നത് മക്കളെ, ഇപ്പം പോയിന്റ് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ വരുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസിൽ രണ്ടും സെയിം ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് തോന്നും, രണ്ടും ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെ നോക്കും. പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്ത് അടുത്തത് പിന്നീട് വന്ന് തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we can't come back and take the another option that we left there. If we took an option, or if we started traveling, go through that. That is the poet saying in the third stanza. Okay, the fourth stanza, I shall be trailing with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, but and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Okay, this was the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza saying, years from now, somewhere in the future, the poet feels that the choices, if he taken right or not. Okay, in future he will look back and he can find out that the choices he used is right or not, and the poet says that that choices was the responsible for our future. And if you are making a good option, if you are making a right, if you are traveling through a right path, our future will prove the sigh of happiness. And if you are making, or if you are using a wrong path, definitely our future will prove the sigh of sadness. Okay, makers, this was the fourth stanza. Then if we compare this fourth stanza to our life, that means the choices that we are taking in our life decides our future. Then if you are making a good choices, definitely our life will ends in happiness. And if you are making a wrong choices, our life will ends in sadness. Okay, this was the poem The Road Not Taken. Here the poet says that his options were right, and he became happy in his future because his options were right, and his life will ends in fruitful. Okay, and this the poem The Road Not Taken. We can compare with our life. That means the poet gives the message that we should aware about the things that we are doing in our life, or we should aware about the decisions that we are taking in our life. And if you are taking a decision, we must think twice. We can ask advices from others, and the decision should be wise. Logically, we must to take decisions in our life. Otherwise, these decisions will decide how will be our future. If you are going through a good one, if you are making a good decisions, and if you are going through the good decisions, and we are ready to face the struggles and failures in our life, definitely our future will ends in happiness, and our life will become a fruitful one. But if we are making a wrong choices, and if we became disappointment in our failures or struggles in our life, that will our life will ends in a sadness. Okay my kids, this is our poem. Okay മക്കളെ, അപ്പം നമ്മളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് വരുമ്പോൾ നല്ലത് മാത്രം തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുക, നല്ലതിലൂടെ മാത്രം യാത്ര ചെയ്യുക. ആ യാത്ര ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമുക്ക് ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ വരാം, ദുരിതങ്ങൾ വരാം, അതെല്ലാം ഓവർകം ചെയ്ത് നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ വിജയം നേടണം. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ തെറ്റായ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫ് എപ്പോഴും വേദനയോടുകൂടി അവസാനിക്കാനേ കാരണമാകും. Okay, my kids, I believe you enjoyed today's class. Okay, this is a beautiful poem written by Robert Frost. Okay, next is your activity time. Your activities, first your activities, read the poem 2 times and underline the important words and go through the important words this poem and study the spellings and meanings. And next is about your writing activity. Your writing activity is write a small summary about this poem. Now you understood about this poem and to where the poet is comparing this road and his traveling. So write a short summary about this poem. Okay, my kids, I believe you enjoyed today's class. You loved this poem. Okay, try to read another poems written by our famous writer Robert Frost. Okay, thank you for watching and listening. Thank you.